Hi guys, and welcome back for week 2, session 3 of your Dawn Patrol stretching and yoga sessions. We're going to be on the ground for most of today, so go ahead and join me in seated. I want you to go ahead and just slowly raise both of your arms all the way up into the air. Good. Exhale, take a seated twist with me to one side. Just kind of gaze over the back shoulder. Tuck your chin down for me, and then exhale, look back towards your front shoulder. So I'm turning to my left, looking over my right shoulder. Good. And then inhale, raise both arms back up to the sky. Exhale, seated twist to the other side. Doesn't matter which side you're on. And then again, instead of looking over my back shoulder, I'm going to turn my gaze towards my front shoulder and tuck my chin down. 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Exhale, extend your legs out in front of you. I'm going to turn to the side. And then go ahead and just kind of shake them out. So give them a little love. Shake, shake, shake. Keep your right leg out. Place your left foot on your right inner thigh. Just like that tree pose we did standing, except we're taking it seated, known as Janu Shirshasana A. So right hand next to you, left arm to sky. Inhale. Exhale, reach forward towards your right leg. Grab the foot if you can, bring the right arm back towards it. If that's too much, maybe you're just right here. So this is that part of stretching where we don't get frustrated. We don't allow ourselves to be mad that I can reach for my foot and you can't, all right? You might even be more flexible than I am. But just noticing how far can you go, and if you do have the room, left hand grabs the outside of your foot, left ear comes down to the mat. Good, and this right hand can just chill back here. It can hang here, it can reach forward. Stretching out your hamstring on the right. We're gonna go into rock star in 3, 2. This one might be a little different if it's new to you. You're gonna inhale, take your left arm up, put it behind you. Now you're gonna press into your right foot and your left knee. Inhale, raise your hips up, stretch, really push down through right foot. Good. Exhale, have a seat. Switch sides. Left leg extends out. Place the right foot on your inner thigh. Okay, so setting it up here. Inhale, arms up. It's called head to knee pose. Exhale, reach forward. Maybe the outside of the foot again. You can lay down with the right ear. And if that's way too far, just choosing the destination that works best for you. Good. Nice long spine as you fold forward here. My left hamstring is stretching. I can feel this in my low back too, but noticing that sensation, the pull here. 3, 2, and then rock star. Come all the way up. Right arm rises, okay? Push the right palm down behind you. Press into left foot. Inhale into right knee. Reach up and back. Hold it. 3, 2, and have a seat. Good. Getting closer to the ground. Now scoot your bum forward. Lay all the way down onto your back. So whether you're doing these with me in the morning when they air on YouTube or you're doing them later in the day, this should feel really nice, all right? We're going to do a wave bridge. So you're going to inhale your hips up. So press into both feet. Activate your butt and legs. Reach your arms up high. And then exhale, bring your arms down, bring your low back down, bring your hips down like they're going to kiss the earth. Good. Twice more. Inhale, hips up, arms up, reach and hold. Exhale, hips down, arms down, rest. One more. Inhale, hips up, arms up, reach and hold. Exhale, arms down, hips down, settle the bottom. Good. Now glue the palms next to you. So this is your bridge pose known as Setu Bandhasana. And this is really good to kind of fire up the glutes properly, get everything in line, but also to stretch out. So you'll notice how some of these stretches can be used pre or post workout, or for how we're using them just to get the body to move and stretch. So pressing into both feet, raise your hips up high. Really pushing down into your palms and the back of your arms. So I want you to feel those triceps, all right? So if you were to bend your elbows like me with your palms parallel, you'd feel those triceps really firing down, palms pressing down. Try to lift up and open through the heart, noticing the quads lift you up for 3. Good, strong body, use your butt. 2. Exhale, melt down, upper back, low back, and then your bottom. Do that one more time before we do. Place the hands on the belly. Take a deep breath into your palms. Exhale a deep breath out. Good. Separate your hands, place them down next to you. Inhale, engage the legs. Raise your hips up, up and away. Big stretch here. Good. Hold it. And then if you want a little bit more, maybe you're really feeling it, you're going to walk your right shoulder under and then your left shoulder under. So that maybe you can clasp your fingers together. Try to get the insides of your wrist to touch. Press your pinkies down and your knuckles forward, holding 4. Press up through your hips, 3. Engage your legs, 2. And then as you separate your hands, you're going to lower the upper back, the low back, and then the booty. Now we'll take arms to a T where we're going to what we call windshield wiper. Drop your knees from side to side. And if there was any pinching in your back bends, all right, maybe you have a little like back something going on, so maybe back bending isn't great for you. Or maybe you're just not using your legs and glutes properly, so really think about setting everything up the right way. Good. Hug your knees tightly to your chest. Low back presses down, rocking it out. Good. Big rock up to seated with me. And then just very gently cross those ankles. One last stretch here. We're going to walk the hands out in front of us. Good. You did some beautiful twists, some nice hamstring stretches, little back bends with your rock star, and then your supine variation of back bending, which means on your back. Come all the way up. Namaste to each one of you. Thank you for joining me for day 3, and I'll see you tomorrow for our second week, day 4. Bye, guys.